Hi, this is Ken Lebo, InsurTech Express, and this is another video on travel tips. And I know you guys see all my photos of all the trips I've been taking, which are a lot, 18 to 20 conferences a year, plus customer visits and other travel. So quite a bit of travel. I hope these tips help you. This one is about organizing clothes, which if you have a lot of trips in a row, packing could be difficult to decide, especially if you have trips, again, back to back. And then, of course, what outfits or combinations of clothes to put together each day based on the schedule of the agenda, evening events, which may be more casual versus daytime, which may be more formal or business casual. So basically what I do is I map it all out in a system. You guys may think I'm crazy and it's overkill, but honestly, when you do as much travel as I do, this brings sanity and organization and expedience to preparing for travel. So let's take a look. So the first thing I do is I create a spreadsheet. And with that spreadsheet, I list all of the clothes that fit me that I'm using for business travel. So starting with the first column is the shirts, casual and business shirts, the pants, casual and business pants. Same thing with shoes, sports coats, suits, accessories like belts and ties and things like that. And then, of course, I have other things like sweaters and jackets and coats. And I color code everything. And then what I do is I look at my trips and I list my trips. And I had 5 trips in a row. The first 2 trips, there's a week between the second and the third trip. So as you can see, is I just copy and paste different clothes combinations for each day. And if there's multiple events in the same day, that's fine. So I had the Limerick trip in Nashville on September 15th. Then the NAFA trip on the 18th in Phoenix. Again, there may be some day and night clothes to wear. And then I had a week where I could take my clothes to the cleaners. And then I have 3 trips in a row. So I did Lidma on September 29th. And then on Monday, I've got to go to Nashville, which is tomorrow, for the International Eye Society. Again, and then to make enough clothes to make it all fit. Then the last trip, before I can go back to the cleaners, is InsurTech Connect in Vegas, 5 days on that trip. And then the last thing I want to mention is that I always bring my Shout Wipe and Go instant stain remover. They're kind of like wet wipe cloths. So if I spill any food or drinks on my clothes, I instantly use those to wipe down. I buy multiple boxes of this and bring a few packets per trip. Well, I hope this travel tip was helpful. If you have any questions on anything relating to travel, I'm always happy to help anyone. Here's my contact information and look forward to seeing you on the road. Thank you.